Hi everyone, I'm Kato. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue to paint some more flowers. We're going to need 2 brushes today and some color. Let's get started. I've bought this different type of red. I don't know what it is. It just said brush color. So let's see what it looks like. It's the same packing from the same brand. And I'm gonna put the name of the brand in the description below if you're interested. This is just 20 is the Hong Kong dollars. That's equivalent to 3 US dollars. So you get a package of these color chips, and you don't have to use all of them at once. So just put a few and then add some water and wait. I bet this color it comes out pretty quickly, so let's wait for a little while, give it a few minutes. Okay, I've waited a couple of minutes and let's see what it looks like. This is an interesting color. It's actually pretty nice. It's a bit thick and deeper than the China red. I'm going to compare it. I'm going to put the ones that I always use, the China red. See, this is the China red that are very common. All right. And I've got another crimson red that I have demonstrated before. So I'm gonna show you the differences. So we got 3 different shades of color. This is even deeper than this one. All right, let's get started. The reason why I would explore different shades of red is because I want to paint this purple red fuchsia today. It is a type of pendulous tubulous flowers that are typically of 2 contrasting colors. Now I'm mixing some orange and China red color for the sepals. Sepals are usually green, protecting the flowers before bloom. But the sepals of these beautiful fuchsias are magenta color. There are over 100 species of fuchsias around the world. Most of them are from South America and some in New Zealand. The sepals are kind of similar, that they all reddish. The main differences are the flowers. Now I'm using the deep red that I just bought for the flowers. Since there are many different species of these fuchsias, you can try different combinations and see what they look like. I've never seen any artist painted this type of flowers before. I mean, the classic masterpieces. So I'm just creating it myself. There might be a better way to interpret and present this type of flowers. So if you have any idea, just go for it. I'm now painting the stigma, which usually has one very long one and the rest are shorter. I'm switching to use a larger brush to paint the leaves. This type of plant is a type of shrub, so there are low trees, usually grow up to 2 meters maybe. The ones that I've seen are all planted in a pot or in a flower shows. But I really like this type of hanging flowers, and that's why I'm painting all the leaves on the top so that it indicates that the flowers are hanging down. Now I'm painting the stalk of this stems, and I'm using a large brush, but then you may just use a small one for this type of plants or in this painting because the strokes are pretty thin. I'm just a bit lazy, and then also I want to use the same brush for the leaves that I'm adding. Now I'm using just yellow color for the real stigma. You can't really see it, but then I'm going to show you a close-up at the end of the video as always. so you can take a closer look at the brushstrokes and how the gradients works. By the way, if you like this type of content and haven't subscribed yet, please do so and press the bell notification button so that you don't miss out any updates. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave a message below and I will read it and respond as soon as I can. Now I'm painting a hummingbird, and I'm using the green color with a bit of red at the tip, and the long beat it's just red. This hummingbird is pretty interesting. It flies really fast, like the way that it flaps its wings. So I'm just like painting a quick stroke to indicate how fast the movement is. I'm choosing yellow and orange color for the chest because I think it goes pretty well with the color of this painting. You may use many other colors because there are just so many species of hummingbirds. Now I'm adding some splashes of color to finish it up. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.